This video will show you how to find your work on Google Classroom. So you're going to start by going to the Fairfax County website, www.fcps.edu. And you'll see on the website you can actually change the language of the website. Here in the blue bar is where we'll find the things that we need. G Suite is for Google Suite, and that's how we're going to get to Google Classroom. When I press it, it's going to ask me to log in, and you might have your login saved with a student ID number. That would be a student login. I'm a teacher, so my login looks different. And you'll have to enter your password. And that's all information that students already have. If a student did forget their password, then they could email their teacher about that. So then I went to this menu here with the 3 dots, and I'm going to choose Classroom. So this Google Classroom shows you all of your students' classes that use Google Classroom. So I'm going to open a class and show you the different parts. This is called the stream. So whenever I do anything in Google Classroom as a teacher, it's posted in the stream so students know about it. So it shows that I posted some check-in slides here, and I posted a link here to Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard Collaborate is where we're going to go to meet our classes online. Our online classes will start meeting on Tuesday, April 14th, and the online classes will meet every Tuesday and Thursday. You should get a schedule from the school about when your online classes will meet. Every class will have a link to their classroom. So for Mrs. Burrell's math classes, this is the link right here. I posted it in my Google Stream, and so you would click that to get into Blackboard Collaborate, which is your online classroom. The first time you join Blackboard Collaborate, there might be a few more steps to open it, but you're going to put your first name and your last name there, and then you're going to click Join Session, and that will take you into Blackboard Collaborate. If you're looking for assignments, those would be under classwork. These assignments were all given before we left school. So if a student wants to make those up, they can. They're organized by unit. So you can see that. You can click on an assignment, and sometimes there might be a video or some worksheets that the student could complete. You don't really need people or grades so much. Usually you're just using Stream to see everything that a teacher posted, and classwork to see the organized assignments. So then over here you can go back and see all of the classes. If you want to look at a different class, you can do that. So that's called Google Classroom. The other place where you're going to see student assignments is in Blackboard. So this is Blackboard here. You can also get to Blackboard from the FCPS website. It's called FCPS 24/7 Learning. That's the name they have for Blackboard. So you'll put in the student's username and password. Their username is their student ID again, and the same password. So the student uses the same password for everything. Since I'm a teacher, my username is different. Okay, then in Google Classroom, I'm sorry, this one is Blackboard. 24/7 Learning is what Fairfax County calls Blackboard. You can see everything that they have here. On the first page, you can see a lot of distance learning supports if you're learning how to use distance learning. But to see the students' classes, you click on Courses. So here would be a list of all of the students' classes. I can choose one of my classes here, and I can show you that I have announcements about things that are new. So yesterday in class, we just met in our virtual classroom to talk. I had some announcements here about checking in with students. Sometimes teachers will also post materials over here, course materials, assignments. In my class, I don't use these things very much, but I do have staff information here, so that here's my email if you have any questions for me. So that's pretty much it. In the FCPS site, the two places where students would find assignments are in Blackboard and in Google. And those two places will have everything that you need. Students will be meeting through Blackboard Collaborate, but the teachers will communicate with students through these two to tell them the link to meet online.